Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. So today I'm going to go out on the water, go out on the river, and test out this new product that I got from this company, Outdoor Master. They sent me this really awesome dry bag that is 30 liters and it has a lot of neat features. This dry bag is completely the full package. It has a lot of interesting features on it and attachments that allow for you to use it in many different circumstances, including using it as a backpack. Let's head out on the water and see how it does. And so for many years, I've simply used a Walmart dry bag that I had. In fact, I have two of them. I put one in the front of my kayak and one in the back. And I use those to keep everything dry. I put my sleeping bag, my tent, everything I have. A company called Outdoor Master emailed me and saw my videos and said, hey, we've got a dry bag that we'd like you to test out and have. And I thought, well, great. And when I got it, I was just amazed at the differences between a really good dry bag and one that you get inexpensive and cheap. So it has a lot more features, and I'm going to tell you about those features here in a little bit. But one of the biggest things is it has straps on it. So there's four points that you can tie out, just little D-hooks on the bottom and on the top. And it has two straps with shoulder cushions that you can attach to the dry bag itself. That feature makes this dry bag a game changer, for me anyway, because most of the time, the problems I have with kayaking is getting up on the banks to sleep at night and finding a campsite. And with this feature, I can simply use it as a backpack, have all my stuff in there, and get out of my kayak with the backpack on. They sent me the 30-liter bag that I'm going to show you. The bag comes in a 10, a 20, a 30, and a 40-liter size. It has a roll-down capacity, and then you simply clip it on top like a roll-top backpack. This thing is a lot more durable than the one that I have, just a simple Walmart dry bag. It says it's a 500D PVC material, so a plastic hybrid. The 30-liter bag that I have has a capacity of 46 pounds. In other words, you can fit 46 pounds in it. And it only weighs 1.4 pounds. So it's equivalent to a backpack that's ultralight. And that is a great feature. Outdoor Master also has various types of products, including products for snow and skiing. Then they have another category for camp and hiking. Then they have a category for water sports, which this dry bag is under. Additionally, the dry bag that I have, the 30-liter capacity, the length of the bag is 24 inches and the width of the bag is 9 inches. I'll also put the other sizes of the bags and their capacity and weight on the screen as well. But it is a super cool bag to have, especially for kayaking or boating or any kind of outdoor activity that involves the beach or water, because you can get the size that you want and put all the items that you need for the beach or kayaking or anything like that in the bag itself and not have to worry about it. That has always been the issue for me when kayaking is I'm always nervous about the items that I have strapped or attached to my kayak. Are they going to stay dry? If you're interested in a dry bag from Outdoor Master, I'll put the link down below to their company. Okay, so I finally came out to one of my favorite places on the river. It's just this little shoals area that I really like, and thought I would kind of introduce you to this Outdoor Master dry bag that I have that I've been talking about. Outdoor Masters sent me this great dry bag. There it is. This is the 30-liter bag. It comes with two awesome straps that attach to the top and the bottom. It also has a carrying strap on the top that is double and triple seamed, taped with extra plastic along the top, so to have extreme durability. Another great feature about this particular dry bag is these tie out points down the side. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different tie outs if you want to attach different things or different items as you go down the river. It also has 2 D-rings on the top and the bottom. I simply put a carabiner on the bottom and I attach it to the tie out points of my kayak. Again, as I said, this is the 30-liter bag. The 30 and the 40-liter bag come with these 2 straps. The 10 and the 20 only have 1 strap. So I like the fact that the 30 has these 2 straps to use it as a backpack. There are sewn seams around the strap. There are taped seams all the way down the side and tape seams all the way down across the bottom. It is a tubular type dry bag that folds down with simply 3 turns, and they say on the 3rd turn it is completely waterproof. It is made of a 500D PVC material. As you can see, I have air inside the bag and the air won't come out. There's nothing inside the bag except for air. And obviously, it is completely waterproof. Inside the dry bag, at the top where you roll down, it has a little plastic piece inside that keeps it stable and keeps it strong there to roll down. Inside this bag for 30 liters, I've got my food bag, I've got my steaks, I've got my Pariah Breezy Mesh bivvy, I've got my water filtration kit, I've got my tarp to set up over my bivvy, and I've got my sleeping bag. Of course, this is my summer sleeping bag. This is a product that looks like it would last 10, 20 years simply because of the quality and the strength of this material and the PVC plastic. I like the 30-liter option. The 30-liter option gives me enough room to carry simply all I need for an overnight kayaking trip. I hope you'll check out Outdoor Master in this dry bag. I appreciate Outdoor Master for contacting me, watching my videos in my kayak, as amateur as I am, and seeing that I needed a dry bag. I'm not an affiliate of Outdoor Master. They simply asked me if I would review it and gave me the bag. You can see the construction of triple layers of plastic around the seams that hold the D-rings, and at the top, this thing looks like it is bomb-proof. Thanks so much, guys, for watching another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'll see you next time on my next adventure.